Installing a fan control board. Note: the 1U3N enclosure is shown in this video. The same replacement procedure can be used for the 1U2N enclosure. Align the two screw slots on the fan control board with the fan control board cage, and then fasten the two screws to secure the fan control board. Align the fan control board module with the guide pins on the enclosure, and then lower and slide the fan control board module until the guide pins are seated in the small opening of the keyholes. Use a screwdriver to fasten the thumb screw and secure the fan control board. Reconnect the fan module power cables to the fan control board. Reconnect the fan control board power cable. Slide the safety cover over the fan control board power cable. Align the safety cover with the fan control board cage, and then insert it into the fan control board power cage until it clicks into position. Reconnect the fan control board power cable to the node. Install the air baffle. Place the middle top cover on the top of the enclosure. Fasten the 8 captive screws to secure the middle top cover.